Glad to see them back, keep them rolling down the track, shoveling more coal, they're rolling on the tracks again.
What's up, y'all? Today we're gonna be taking a look at my new Bachmann Emily that I got at this drive-thru train shop a couple days ago. And we're gonna be taking a look at my new Bachmann Emily coach that I got at the drive-thru train shop. So yeah, let's get unboxing. Alright, I finally got it out, so let's take a look. Hold on. Alright, I finally got it out of the package, so let's take a look. Alright, so here's her face, looks really good. It's mostly based off the season 7 through 11 version of Emily for the face. Here's the wheels. Looks really good. Tender, looks really good. This is much better than the Horny Emily, because that version is very inaccurate, and yeah. So let's unbox the coach. I'll be right back. Alright, I got the coach out of the box, so let's take a look. Alright, here's the coach. I like the green paint. I like the yellow lining around it. This is actually the brake coach, so I didn't know this. So yeah, let's run her.